This is really where the integration comes through, right? We mentioned how we can, prescribe content, assemble presentations, share them. And what you're seeing here is where we're tracking that, right? So this integration isn't just an iframe, it isn't just a dashlet. It's also putting information back into SugarCRM. And so all those
It's putting information back into Sure. In what way? What's the information?
It's the information on what content gets viewed. It's an automation on what content was used with this sales opportunity,
right?
This stage. And so we can really start to get down to what content's helping us move through the sales cycle. Right. So
now you can actually map content created by the marketing team to revenue. And you know what content is actually moving the needle when it comes to revenue.
Absolutely. And if you think about how we started this with this problem, people want to leverage more content and less of sellers. We can track all this, and together with Sugar, it really gives us that information to guide marketing. Right? Mm-hmm. Let's do gaps on what content we have and what content was working well, and now it's not working well.
Mm.
So what's going on? And you have the tools right at your fingertips to drill in and get that information.